Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding it for a couple of seconds and then you can release it. After you release the button, the watch will vibrate and then you need to wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the select language option. Once you see it, swipe left on the screen. It will open the list of languages. Here you can scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. Once you select the language, you will need to set up your profile, so swipe left, select the gender, select the year of birth, select the unit system, select the time format, select the weight, select the height, and then it will be telling you to download and install the Suunto application on the phone you want to pair your watch with. So go to your iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Suunto. Like this, then tap on search and you should see this application on the list. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open. If you see the pop-up about the Bluetooth permission, allow it and then log in into a Suunto account. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on continue with email, enter the email address, and it will basically allow you to create an account if you don't have an account associated with that email. You can also use the Apple or Facebook if you want to. I'm gonna tap on continue with email, enter the email address I use. Then tap on continue, and since my account, or rather my email is associated with an account, I need to enter the password to log in. And then I can log in. I entered the wrong password, give me a second. Okay, then we can log in. After you log in, you may see some pop-ups like this. Basically, it asking me if I want to save my password, don't allow. Then tap on continue. Here we can allow the permission for the location. You can allow it or deny it. I'm gonna allow it. Next we have the notification permission. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from the iPhone on your watch. If you want to do it, tap on continue and then allow it. If you don't care, you can deny it. And then we have the newsletter. You can subscribe to it if you want to. Okay, and once you're done with the pop-ups and permissions, you should see the home page. Now tap on the watch icon right here next to your in the top left corner, my bad. Tap on it, it will bring you to this page, and the app should detect your watch. And once it does, tap on pair. Now we need to enter the code from the watch and tap on pair. You can allow the permission for the notifications or deny it. Here we can set up a network. Basically, we can connect our watch to the Wi-Fi network. If you want to do it, tap on set up network. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. I'm gonna set it up, so set up network. We need to turn it on, like this. For some reason we need to tap on add network. Tap on OK. It's gonna start searching for nearby networks. As you can see, we have a list of networks. Tap on one you want, enter the password. Then tap on connect. Now tap on OK. As you can see, the network was added, so we can now go back. Then we have the option to download the maps. So if you want to use the maps in offline mode, you will need to download them. If you want to tap on download maps, it's gonna start downloading them. I'm gonna tap on skip, and then we have option to customize the widgets. So basically you can select which widgets should be enabled. You can tap on show widgets, and here you can turn them on and off. For example, we can turn off recovery, progress, stuff like that. And once you're done, you can tap on X to save the settings. Then we can tap on done, and the watch should appear in the app, and it should say pair syncing. So basically, at this point, the watch is paired with your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.